Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, assistant teacher of Islamic studies of National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic studies class for class 2, and our today's topic is broad question number 5. Our today's topic is broad question number 5. My dear students, inshallah today we will learn broad question number 5. So let's start. My dear students, at first look at the board. Our question is, what is zakah or zakat? What is zakah or zakat? Our answer is, zakah is an Arabic word. Zakah is an Arabic word. It means to purify, increase, etc. In the Islamic law, paying anything from the wealth of the rich people to the poor is called zakah. It is not kindness to the poor by the rich. Rather, it is the right of the poor. My dear students, I repeat the answer again. Our answer is, zakah is an Arabic word. It means to purify, increase, etc. In the Islamic law, paying anything from the wealth of the rich people to the poor is called zakah. It is not kindness to the poor by the rich. Rather, it is the right of the poor. My dear students, now look at the board. Here is written, zakah is an Arabic word. It means to purify, increase, etc. My dear students, zakat is one of the basic pillar of Islam. My dear students, you know that zakat is the third number pillar of Islam. We know that there are 5 basic of Islam, that is Iman, Salat, Zakat, Saum and Hajj. In this regard, zakat is the third pillar of Islam. My dear students, when someone become Sahib-i Nisab, that means who have enough money for giving zakat, he have to give zakat. And if someone give zakat another, then that zakat increase, zakat purifies someone's wealth, someone's money. My dear students, now look at the board. In the Islamic law, paying anything from the wealth of the rich people to the poor is called zakah. My dear students, who have enough money for giving zakat to the poor, he have to give zakat. He must give zakat to the poor. And when someone have enough money and he will give the zakat to the poor, then there is called zakah. That is called zakah. My dear students, now look at the board. It is not kindness to the poor by the rich. It is not kindness to the poor by the rich. Rather, it is the right of the poor. Rather, it is the right of the poor. My dear students, zakat is not kindness to the poor people, but it is the right of the poor people. That means if you have enough money, if you become Sahib-i Nisab, then you must give zakat to the poor. And this is not the kindness to the poor. This is the right of the poor. Allah has said the Holy Quran. There are many verses in the Holy Quran. Allah has said, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Aqimus Salah wa Atuz Zakah. Aqimus Salah wa Atuz Zakah. This means establish Salat and give Zakat. Allah has said the Holy Quran, establish Salat and give Zakat. My dear students, there are 82 times in the word zakah Zakah has come in the Holy Quran 82 times along with Salah. 82 times Zakat has come in the Holy Quran along with Salah. My dear students, rather it is the right of the poor. Rather it is the right of the poor. My dear students, if your parents become Sahib-e Nisab, that means if they have enough money for giving zakat to the poor, they must give zakat to the poor. I would like to mention one thing, there is no zakah on the money, shari or lungi. We see every year there are a lots of people who give zakat by the shari or lungi. But in the Islamic law there is no shari or lungi. That means you will have no chance for giving zakah by giving shari or lungi. You have to pay zakah by giving money. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned question number 5. Broad question number 5. Now look at the board. Today our lecture number 17 and SW number 16. Lecture number 17, SW number 16. My dear students, here is written my contact number. If you face any problem, then you will contact with me. My dear students, you will make SW at your home. Broad question number 5. Broad question number 5. My beloved students, that's all for today. You must submit your SW copy on every Sunday from 8 AM to 4 PM. Don't forget to submit your SW copy because you know that your city and SBM marks depend on submitting your SW copy. So my dear students, keep practicing at home again and again. No more today, inshallah. See you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.